Houston is known for its great restaurants and chefs. Now, Chef Joe Abuso is a member of the Houston Restaurant Association. He's here this morning with delicious desserts. Joe, welcome to Outlook Houston.
Thank you for having me.
If you want to do desserts this year, you have brought something for us to show. You have brought creme brulee. I'm a big dessert person, Joe, so show me what you got.
If you like desserts, you like this. Creme brulee is French for burnt cream. French have a different word for everything pretty much. And what it is really, it's kind of like a vanilla pudding that's been to college. And I'm going to make it really fast right now.
Vanilla pudding that's been to college. Okay, when I go to the store, what are the ingredients that I need to make creme brulee?
Very simple ingredients. Sugar, egg yolks, heavy cream, and a vanilla bean. That's it. And
you and I were talking a little bit before the show started. Where do I find a vanilla bean? It's not in the produce section.
I don't know if you can see this. A vanilla bean, you can kind of see it. It's a pod, actually, that just contains a billion little vanilla beans. When you have French vanilla ice cream, you see those little black dots.
Right.
Those are all the vanilla seeds that are contained in a vanilla bean, which is the pod. It's what they make vanilla extract out of. So anyway, it's really good. They're kind of pricey. You can buy them in the where they sell little jars of spices. They'll sell a jar that says vanilla beans on it, and there'll be like 2 of these things, and they'll be like $6. So they're kind of expensive. If you don't want to spend the money on a vanilla bean, you can just use vanilla extract. But the vanilla bean's better. And the way you do it.
So if you don't want to do vanilla bean, do vanilla extract. How do we cut that vanilla bean?
Get a sharp little knife, get the vanilla bean, just kind of cut it halfway down. It's kind of like a string bean almost. You cut it down. I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah, they can see it.
Good. I'll try not to cut myself then. Here we go. You open it up. And then you spread it. You just kind of scrape the insides out. And
that looks like a lot of work.
Well,
okay.
Vanilla extract is cheaper and easier. But all those little black dots you see are the vanilla beans. And you just throw that right in your pot of heavy cream, which you've got on a slow simmer. And in fact,
so you put it on a slow simmer, your vanilla.
Slow simmer, get it going. Now, in this pot, it's called a water bath. I've got a pot with some boiling water in it. I've got a metal bowl with some egg yolks in it. I'm going to put a little sugar in there. And the exact, I understand you can have the recipe at the end, but there's exact proportions for everything. But basically, egg yolks and sugar. I'm going to beat it up over the steam. And the reason I'm cooking it over steam rather than right over the fire is so that it just kind of stacks the deck in my favor a little bit. It's a gentler heat, and I have a better chance of making this into a nice custard.
But it has to be a metal bowl in order to get the heat.
Yeah, if it's a glass bowl, I don't think it'll work as well. It'll probably work, but it'll probably take forever. But what we're going to do here is basically just cook the eggs over the steam, stirring it all the time. If I don't stir it enough, I'll end up with sweetened scrambled eggs, basically. And there's no real market for that.
Yeah.
But I don't know if you can the camera see this at all?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
See how it's kind of egg yolky looking?
So once you get the eggs right, what do you do with the eggs?
After they're cooked a little bit more than this, we're going to just pour the boiling cream in. Then I'm going to pour this whole mixture into a little ramekin, one of these little guys. Then I put it in here, I let it set overnight, so it turns, you can see it sets up.
It becomes thick.
Just like a vanilla pudding.
I didn't realize when I'm out ordering creme brulee that it's really just that simple.
It's just that simple.
And you guys put some fruit on top and it tastes really good.
Even without fruit it tastes good. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little granulated sugar on top. I'm going to get a little blowtorch that you can get at any hardware store. This is the fun part. Cooking is my livelihood, but plumbing's my passion.
Be careful with that blowtorch there.
And then right on the sugar. Now the creme part is creme brulee. The creme part is the custard we just made. The brulee part is this part on top, the burnt sugar. And there you have it.
Now, Joe, at home, I may not have one of these. What can I use?
It comes out nice chestnut brown. At cookware stores, they sell cute little torches to do just this. They're safer. They're not as
dangerous for people like me.
When we're doing 1,000 of them at a party, we use these big guys. But that's creme brulee.
Joe, thank you so much for sharing the recipe with us and sharing the dessert. Wonderful. Joe Abuso with Abuso Catering. Thank you so much for joining us.